Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel, a channel for awesome facts and information. In this video, we are going to talk about how to get water stains out of car seats. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos. Car seats are susceptible to all kinds of damage, from stains to tears to mold growth. When it comes to stains, water is the most common culprit, whether from a spill, rain pouring in, or a passenger with wet clothes. So how do you remove water stains from car seats? What causes water to stain? As water evaporates, it leaves mineral deposits behind. These deposits are the cause of the dark stains that mar the beauty of your car interior. You should clean water spots as soon as possible. The fresher the spots are, the easier it is to remove them. All you need is a few common products and a little bit of time. Keep watching to find out how to get stains out of car seats so they look like new again. Step 1. Vacuum the car interior. Before starting off with trying to clean the offending spots directly, vacuum the car interior thoroughly to remove any dirt and debris attached to the seats and the carpets. If these particles come into contact with moisture, they can create more stains. Step 2. Use an appropriate car upholstery cleaner. The first step to choosing a proper upholstery cleaner is to identify your upholstery material: cloth, vinyl, suede, leather, etc. Most upholstery cleaners work on all types of material, but there are dedicated cleaners, especially for leather seats. If you want a homemade solution, mix equal parts of white vinegar and distilled water. But it is always recommended to purchase a quality cleaner because there's no guarantee that this solution will not damage the material. Instead of just targeting the water stains, use your upholstery cleaner on the entire seat. Let it soak for the duration specified in the instructions. Professionals also recommend that you use the selected cleaner first in a discreet spot in the upholstery to detect an unwelcome surprise such as color change. Step 3. Brush off dirt and debris. Use a soft bristled brush to work the upholstery cleaner into the material. This will ensure that all traces of mineral deposits and leftover dirt and debris will be removed. Be gentle, as scrubbing the seats hard can damage the material. Step 4. Wipe the seats. Once you complete step 3, use a clean, dry, light-colored towel to wipe the surface. Once the towel stops soiling, you know the upholstery is clean. Some upholstery cleaners require you to use a moist towel for this purpose, but make sure it has been wrung out to get rid of extra water. You don't want a dripping towel close to your newly cleaned upholstery. Step 5. Dry the seats. Keep your windows rolled down to accelerate the drying process. You can also use a blow dryer or a fan to speed things up. Allow it to dry naturally. We don't recommend parking your car in direct sunlight, as this can cause sun damage to the paint. Also, harsh sun rays can cause damage to upholstery, especially leather, which will fade and crack over time due to sun exposure. That's pretty much it for today's video. Do you find this video interesting? Let us know in the comment section below. We hope you've enjoyed it and collected some useful information. If yes, then please give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos. Don't forget to turn on the notification by pressing the bell icon, so you never miss our future uploads. We will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, goodbye.